everyone, this is Nolan. Welcome back to a brand new video. Now today we are playing a game called Hello Neighbor. Now I know this is a new game on my channel, but I do know how to play it. So I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to play it. So sorry for no face cam today. I couldn't get very good lighting. My lights weren't working that well, so no face cam today, but in the next video, I will try to FaceTime. So let's just hop straight into this. We are going to have a new game. Yes, I would like to start a new game. This might be put into two videos. I don't know. I'm at least going to show you how to complete Act 1 and Act 2. Alright, so we're in Act 1 here. When you're doing your game, you should be able to watch all this, but you can hit space twice to skip these little parts. I'm going to skip them so we can just get into the game. If you want to watch them, you totally can. Feel free to. But, yeah. So we got to get into that basement. He has put the red key right there. And we got to get into that room. There's a hole in the roof. That should be quite lucky. Anyway. Alright, so, if you don't know what Hello Neighbor is, go ahead and go to the Hello Neighbor wiki. You should see all that there. That's our neighbor's house. That's our house. You gotta try to sneak into his house and grab all these things. So, that's the main idea of the game, I believe. Maybe this one? I've never tried this. You might be able to. That's fine, I don't care. Because we're going to do it the way I've learned. So, we're going to grab two boxes from the back here. And we're going to go, "Ooh, hi, neighbor." So the neighbor can catch you. If you're on your side of the street, he can't come over here. So, yeah, we're just going to go over here. He can come about here. Yeah, so cars also come really fast, so you might want to be a little careful. But I don't think you can actually get hit by cars. In Act 3, you can get hit by something besides the neighbor. But, the neighbor doesn't really hit you, he just catches you. Neighbor's not really an aggressive code. Oh, no, he touched me. Oh, that's fine, I don't care. We're just going to go right back up. Alright, so this takes a little bit, but so you gotta climb up these shelves and then you gotta stack two boxes top of each other. So you can jump on to the roof. So we're just gonna try to, there we go. You're gonna jump onto the roof, you're gonna try to get as close to the edge as you can. You're going to grab one box and then you're going to jump to this side of the roof and jump over here. Now, that sound right there, that's just a neighbor's TV. Now if your screen starts to shake and then there's this outer kind of thin black ring coming around it, that means he's near you. It starts to get really aggressive and really a little more shaky, and the rim is black, more black, then that means he's like right next to you. So you want to be careful of that. So we're just going to throw this box, break the window. Then we're going to do what's called a super throw at this painting. You just hold your throw button. And if you see that, he's just downstairs. He cannot get up here. So don't be scared of that. We can unlock this door. Sometimes they will have keys. Sometimes they'll be blocked by a chair. This one has a key. So you're going to jump through the hole that we knocked down the painting with. You're going to open this. You just left click on the lock to open stuff. And then you can look at all the controls and like the controls. So this room is where the red key is, but it is locked. You can try to open it, but you will have no success. So, he is right there. And if you hold down shift, you can run. So, I'm going to go back here. This is an interesting way to open this. It's not like regular keys. So get the car keys in your hand, hold down left click, and while you're holding it, press E. Don't need the car keys anymore. So we're going to grab this magnet in the back. We're going to come around back here, and we're going to grab 3 boxes. 1 big box and 2 little boxes. 1 open box and 2 closed boxes, I believe. So this is my easiest way to do it. Oh, that's a little glitchy. Alright, so we're going to try to grab the crowbar right there. I'm going to go up here. Sometimes if the key falls off, you just got to restart the game. You don't need the magnet gun anymore. And I'm sorry about that. And sometimes you can still get it with the magnet gun, but yeah. So how do you use the magnet gun is you just hold left click, and you can use the magnet gun. Now we're going to run in here and unlock this door with that key. We do not need that key anymore. And then we couldn't grab the wrench with the magnet gun even though it's metal because it was attached to these 2 bars. So we're going to grab the wrench right there. We're going to go out of the neighbor's house, go around back again. And then we're going to unlock this, which is the same like keys, you just left click. And then we're going to go up this ladder. We're going to go across this door, come down here, and then we're going to grab the red key. So then we're going to move this chair, and we're going to come around here. I'm going to jump back out, and I don't think the neighbor's there. Just make sure, run over here, make sure he's not there. Okay, I don't believe he is there. So then we're going to run in his house, and we're going to go over here, unlock that, and now we're on to Act 1, the basement. We're doing very good so far. We're almost done with Act 1. Sorry, just taking a sip of water there. Okay. Yeah. This game loads very slow for me. So, now you can load. Are you gonna load? I'll see you when it's loaded. Okay guys, my game is loaded. No turning back now. You cannot go back. So then you're gonna come down these stairs, open the washer, and you're gonna go in here. Now, you're gonna grab this fake window and put it down, and then you're going to jump through here. You're going to go over to the power, you're going to turn it off and then back on. Close that up. So the neighbor does not mess with it. The neighbor is down here, but he won't be that aggressive yet. So we're going to flick that, and we're going to come over here to this red light. Mannequins can scare you, but don't worry, it's just a game. So then we're going to go into this door, and we're going to go over here. We're going to move that chair. We're going to come over here. Sorry if I'm going a little fast for you guys. Just pause the video every time I walk into a door, and you should be fine. Then we're going to come over here to this other red light, and we're going to open this door. We're going to open this door over here. We're going to see this yellow spiral thing, and we're going to come in here. You're going to want to grab the TV, and then you're going to come through here. We're going to go over to this flashing thing. We are going to put down the TV. This part is a little hard because I dropped it. Whatever. Okay, so you're going to knock down this brick wall. It would be easier with the TV. You would place the TV down first. But we're going to grab 4 large bricks here. It cannot be the small ones like this because those you just roll right through for some reason. So you're going to grab 4 large. I'm going to grab 4 of the large bricks, and then we're going to come over here and we're going to pile up. If you have the TV, you would only need to grab 3 large bricks, because then you would just build off of the TV. But as I said, this part is a little hard. It's very hard to build in Hello Neighbor, just because the fact that you're not in Minecraft and you can't fly and blah blah blah. So then you're gonna build. You're so close. All right. Oh, that was close. Okay. Yikes. Where am I? Can't see anything. I'm so sorry that if you can't see anything, you might want to turn your brightness all the way up if that still doesn't help. I'm just sorry, I can't make it any brighter. Okay, come on. You get the idea of building up. And then we're going to jump over this fence. That was easier than I thought. We're going to turn this so it starts blowing green smoke, and the light flashes on the green, so the red. And you're going to come up these nicely built things for us. Thank you, so we don't have to rebuild. And then you're going to just follow all your open doors back. Now, just follow all your open doors. I just said that. So it shouldn't be too hard because you opened all the doors you need to open, and you can just follow them back. So then you're going to come over here. Instead of seeing that yellow spiral thing, you'll see these little shooters that shoot baseballs. You're going to come over here. Now, I always think that's the neighbor, but it's actually not. That light's a little blinding. Mannequin, you want to go in? You don't need to pick up the mannequin. You don't need the flashlight either. It's just to see better. Okay, so then you're going to flip up this lever, and you're going to go in here. This part is a little creepy, I'm going to warn you. He barges in, and then you just got to run. And you have to reach this door. Sometimes people have a problem with this because they do not reach the door. And then the neighbor catches them in the middle, and then they gotta run it all again. So make sure you reach the end of the door, and make sure you run because the neighbor is running as well, and he will catch you. When you get to that door, just let him catch you, and then we can move on. That's the exact time when he needs to catch you. So, I'm gonna tell you when this loading screen is done. So, see ya. Game loads so very slow. So, now we're on to Act 2. Very good job beating Act 1. We stole our shoe. Yeah. So you're gonna try to open this door once. And then you're gonna hear all those noises. And then this little guy is gonna pop up here. When he pops back down, you can open the door then. And you're gonna grab the little vent thing right here. You're gonna move that, and you're gonna go through the vent. Follow the red lights. Now that big shining light, you're going to go up this ladder. And then we're here. So, okay. Let's grab a box quick. First things first, we are going to go up here and wait till he comes out. So we're going to kind of distract him. Like, hey, we're up here, you know. And he's doing dishes. Oh, could have run into this. We're gonna break. Wow. Okay, he's coming out. Right there. We're gonna distract him. Hey, buddy, you can't get us up here. You know what? Why not you climb up the ladder? We're gonna try to get him to climb up this ladder here. And then when he starts climbing up, you're going to rush into his house. You're going to go into the kitchen and then grab the wrench. You're also going to turn this little lever right here. It's okay if he catches us now because we've done all the things we need to do. The wrench is going to be in the freezer, and then you have to turn that lever. So then we're going to unlock this. We don't need the wrench anymore. And we're going to go up here. Now we're going to go over to this roof. Yeah. Let's go back up. That was a mistake. We're going to go back up here, and we're going to go over to this little other lever right here. We're going to turn that one as well. Then we just have one more lever to turn, which is right over here. You're going to turn this one. And then water is going to start spewing out. You're going to grab this thing right here. And then you're going to go back up here. And you're going to go down here. you're gonna left click to put this thing on. You're gonna turn it and then pick it back up. Then we're gonna go over to the front of the house. We're gonna climb up this ladder. Again, no, you don't need the neighbor to come up here this time. You're gonna put this on here, turn it, and then grab it back, just like you did. You're doing great. We're almost done with Act 2 as well. These acts are pretty. Act 1, acts. I cannot speak today. Acts 1 and 2 are pretty easy. I'm not gonna lie. So, you know what? Just catch me, buddy. Just catch me. It's gonna be night. I need him to catch me again because I need you guys to see. Hi. Oh my God. He did not even notice me. That was hilarious. Okay. So then we're going to go over here. You're going to grab a box right here. And you're going to throw it out this window. So it breaks. What you throwing? Throw this window so it breaks. You're going to distract him by coming up here. Because we do need that window broken. Probably gonna go over there, set up a bear trap or something. Go back up here. Does he know? Oh, poke blue. I guess he knows. This is hard. Yikes, yeah. He caught us. Makes sense because we're just breaking windows. And he's just like, hey, who did that? Do that again. Why don't you think? Because I'm recording. Just kind of lags a bit. Not lags. Glitches a bit. Probably gonna see the broken window and be like, who did this? Maybe the only person I trapped in this little place? Trap this in here. Oh my God! Oh my God, he threw us up. Oh my God, we would have escaped. We would have escaped. That's the second time that's happened to me today. He just throws us off. We die. That's actually quite lucky for me. Usually that wouldn't be a very lucky thing. But, it's lucky because I gotta show you the tutorial. Because that doesn't happen to everyone. So let's go in here. You're gonna put this on here. Turn it. And then you're gonna turn this little thing to hot. Red one. It's okay if he catches us now. Because we did all we need to do in there. Almost done. Let's have him catch us again so you can see and I can see. Yeah, catch me, buddy. Okay. Alright. So then you're gonna grab this little wooden boxy thing over here. And then you're gonna come up here. We're gonna come up here. We're going to put it on here. It's the last thing we needed to put on. And then we're going to turn it until water starts coming out. Now I'm going to save the rest for another video. Because in the next video, we will complete Act 2. And then we'll get to the basement in Act 3. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope it was helpful. Please watch the next video if you would like to continue this tutorial Hello Neighbor series. And I will see you guys all next time. Have an awesome day. Bye. Well, I can never stop my recording. Come on. You gotta stop, buddy. Not on my cursor. You know, just my cursor not working.